First, let us understand what do we mean by the term population. Population means total number of people residing in a place. When we talk about population of a country, we mean the total number of people that live in the boundary of that country. So now, as we see that population has become, when we talk of population as Indians, it has become a problem. But earlier, in ancient times, it was not so. People never thought of population as a problem. It was never a topic of discussion, because larger the population, the better it was considered. In ancient times, during the eras of kings and all, the larger the population, the larger their army, and then it was supposed to be good. It was that their society was stronger if they had more men in their society or more people in their society. It was also because the death rate was very high and the birth rate was also very high. So the number of people that were added in the population, in the same proportion, number of people died. So nobody was that bothered and the population did not increase in that proportion. Third, the resources were abundant and the human resource was limited. So we could use the resources that were available in abundance. So it was never considered a problem. So in the earlier ancient times, it was not a problem. But slowly, as the society progressed, there were technological developments, medical facilities became better, death rate declined, and slowly and gradually population started increasing. So from there, the study of population became a necessity. Then people started discussing that whether population should be small or it should be big. In present scenario, in India, it still is a problem because here we have the population has grown tremendously in the past 4-5 decades and our resources are limited. Limited in the sense that we have already over-exhausted them. The factors of production, the one resource is increasing constantly whereas the other resources are limited. So it has become a problem. But there are certain countries like Australia where the government still promotes or encourages people to have more children because there the workforce is limited. People say that it is better to have a big economy because bigger the economy means greater economic activities. There is more demand and because there is more demand, there is more production. So it is better to have a big economy. But this applies especially for a country where there is small population. They still have untapped resources which they can use in a better way if they have more workforce. So the countries like Australia and some other European countries, they can still afford to have large population or an increase in population. But for countries like India, China, Pakistan, the population is already too much to handle. So we can say that the size of the population, whether it should be small or big, depends upon the type of economy that is there. Whether we can afford to have an increase in population or not. So for us, we already have a big population, so it is time to control it. So what do we understand by population? Population means the number of people living in an area, living in a boundary of a country, that is the population of that country. And a population should be small or big, depends upon the economy. But for us, we already have a big population, so we should now aim at controlling it.